Hello बच्चों, this is the question number 6 of exercise 2.5 class 9 that we are going to solve in this video. So far we have studied about all the identities which includes the square in them, like a minus b whole square, a plus b whole square, a square minus b square. Now we will, in this question we will talk about the identity where there is a cube. Okay, so this is nothing. Before I start doing this question and before I tell you what is the expansion of this a plus b raised to power 3, you can also solve this by yourself. Okay, for example, let me solve this before you. Okay, I want to find out the expansion of a plus b raised to power 3. What does it mean? It means that a plus b is multiplying itself by 3 times. Okay, it's simple. That means, can I write this as a plus b raised to power 2? Yes, I can write, because this means that a plus b is multiplying itself. Okay, and we know the expansion of this or not? Yes, we know. Okay, the expansion of this is a square plus b square plus 2ab, or you can also write a square plus 2ab plus 2ab. Okay, now this is a plus b. Now just do the expansion, a into a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, now plus this term, b into a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, but I'll get a raised to power 3 plus ab square plus 2a square b plus a square b plus b cube plus 2ab square. Okay, now just simplify it more. You'll get a cube plus b cube plus ab square and 2ab square. It will become 3ab square, right? Plus 2a square b plus a square b. It will be 3a square b. Again, you can see that a cube plus b cube plus, you can keep this identity up to here also, okay, because the final answer will be this. But just, can you see what is common here? You can see again that 3a and b is common. If I'll take 3ab common, I'm left with ab, plus if I'll get 3ab common, I'm left with a here. And just, I can write this a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So that means the expansion of this identity is what? This. Okay, so simply the expansion of this identity is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, because it's not necessary that we just wrote the identity. Okay, we should know that how we are getting the expansion of this identity also, so that during the exam, even if you forget the exact expansion, then you can just got that expansion by solving. Okay, it's so simple, because maths should be avoided as far as if in maths rote memory, or just to memorize then and just cramming, it should be avoided in maths. Okay, maths means understanding. You should do the sums as per understanding. Okay, let us now just compare this. If I compare this and this, then you can see that here a is equal to 2x and b is equal to 1. Now just put the value here, so you'll get 2x plus 1 whole cube is equal to a cube. That means 2x raised to power 3 plus b is 1 raised to power 3 plus 3 into a, 2x into b, 1, 2x plus 1. Okay, what I have done, just put the value of ab, nothing I have done more. Okay, so a 2 to the 4 to the 8, so I'll get 8x raised to power 3 plus 1 plus 3 to the 6, so I'll get 6x into 2x plus 1. Further, it will be 8x raised to power 3 plus 1, 6 to the plus 6 to the 12x square plus 6x. Okay, isn't it like this? This a cube plus b cube plus 3ab square plus 3a square b. It is just like this. Okay, so this is the answer. We have got the expansion for 2x plus 1 whole cube. Now let us do the second one. Second one is 2a minus 3b. Here the sign is negative, otherwise the identity is same. Okay, so why using a minus b whole cube? Here the plus sign change into minus, others terms remain same, minus 3ab into a minus b. Okay, as we have done this by solving this ourselves, you can similarly do this. Okay, similarly you can solve this for a minus b also if you want to just verify this. Now I'm doing just comparison. Now can you compare here? If you compare, you can see that here a is equal to 2a and b is equal to what? 3b. Now just put the value, you'll get 2a minus 3b raised to power 3 is equal to a cube, 2a raised to power 3 minus b cube, 3b raised to power 3 minus 3 into a, 2a into b, 3b into a minus b, 2a minus 3b. Okay, now just further solve. 2 to the 4 to the 8a cube minus 3 to the 9 3 the 27b cube minus 3 to the 6 3 the 18 ab into 2a minus 3b. Now open this bracket also, so you'll get 8a cube minus 27b cube minus what? 18 to the 36, a into a, you'll get a square b minus minus plus 18 3 the 54 a, b into b, you'll get b square. So in this way I got the answer for second question also. For during exam you got 3 marks for this. Okay, this is a 2 minutes question and you are getting 3 marks for this by just remembering or just expanding this q. Okay, and just using this identity, and in 2 minutes you are getting 3 marks. That's a great thing. Okay, now let's do the third part. Third part is, because every time students say ask me that, ma'am, maximum time you are doing the first and second part, and that's a simple part that anybody can do, but please do the last part also. So I'm trying to do that. Okay, now by using same what, a, here the plus sign, a plus b whole cube, I'll get what, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Now just put the value here in place of a. What is in place of a? You can see there is 3 by 2x. Okay, and in place of b there is 1. So simply just put the values here. You don't have to think about this again. If you have compared it correctly, then you are going to get the correct answer. Okay, so you'll get what, 3 by 2x plus 1 whole cube is equal to, this implies I'll write here. So a cube is 3 by 2 x raised to power 3 plus b